Okay, we're standing here in front of the Moremi XLT. In the previous video, we showed you exactly what's in the trailer. Right now, we're going to quickly show you how to deploy it, and you'll see how easy it is to set up camp. All right, so over here on this side, you have two latches that you just need to release on this side and on this side. So just release the latches. Okay, so what we found is that it's usually easier to open up the awning at the same time as what you are opening up the tent, simply just because it's easier to reach. What's great about this unit is that should you be at a place where you don't need the awning, you can simply just open up the tent and you don't have to open the awning. But to open the awning, all you do is zip up. Okay, you'll see there are Velcro straps. Just loosen them. I like to do the two on the side and then hold here at the side and loosen this up. Okay, so as I explained, you do this in one motion. You'll see there is a handle under here. Grab the handle, push up the unit, and while it's opening up, you just simply roll out the awning. Okay, so this part usually requires two people. What you will see is you have extended poles that extend to the side, as well as these two poles. These are for the side of the awning. I'll demonstrate that just now. And then the one pole is actually in an extrusion right here at the back. So that's where the other pole is. Okay? All the poles on this awning open with a mechanism. So all you got to do is just turn it and extend. I'll demonstrate that again. Turn, extend, and then turn back to lock in. All right. So basically all you have to do is grab the two extension poles. If you have a look here right at the top of the awning, of the tent, you'll see there is a plug over there. This guy plugs in there, and this guy plugs into the hole over there. All right, pull it tight and extend. Okay, so now we're just going to go around and put in the other pole. As I said, put it in on the top, extend the pole, place it in the slot, pull it tight, tighten it up. All that's left now to do is to extend the extension poles on this side and on that side to your required height. Okay, as you'll see, there are two tie downs over here. What I usually do is just loop it around like that once, and then you can use your L peg, which is these pegs right over here. What this does is it then actually pulls the canopy down so that it's nice and tight. All right, what I'll demonstrate is here on the side. You will have a look. If you release the Velcro, you will see that there are tabs over here. All you need to do is place the tabs around the pole and pull it in, and you'll see that there are three of them. Okay, so as you can see, the awning is now nicely up. Now I'll demonstrate how to set up the tent. Setting up the tent is really easy. You've got this bungee cord over here. You just pull it, put it around the two notches over here, like that. Come along to this side, and if you open up here, I'm going to roll this up just to show you. You will see there is a mechanism down here. All you have to do is just put a little bit of pressure down on the pole and pull it over the little latch over here. And you will notice that this whole unit is attached with a gas strut, so it will deploy by itself. And basically then your tent is set up. You'll see there are two door openings, being this one as well as this one, which you can also then roll up, as well as or if it is really hot, you've got your midget there, so you can sleep with it open. You'll also see the 2 additional windows there on the side. Okay, there in the corner, right at the back, you'll see there is a light switch, and right at the bottom is the actual switch to switch it on. On top of the bed, you'll see we've got a mattress protector, as well as the eggshell and the mattress. You can then just put your own fitted sheet on here. A standard double bed mattress sheet will fit perfectly on here. All right, so I'm just going to demonstrate exactly how to open up the ladder for you to get up into the unit. So it comes in this nice bag. Just open it up. This is your ladder. You will see that this will be the correct way for it to be attached onto the trailer. That is the incorrect way. So what we need to do is just take it like this. You've got these 2 tabs over here. Open them up, plug it in, secure them, and you're ready to sleep. That's it. Okay, so setting down camp is obviously everything in reverse. So we're just going to run you through that very quickly. So obviously we're going to put the ladder back. All right. When you put the ladder in, please make sure that you put it right at the back of the mattress. That is just so that the mechanism can actually close properly to close the tent. We're going to close up the windows on the side. And we are going to close the window doors in the front, except we're not going to zip them up. We're just going to use the Velcro at the bottom just to secure them. That's just going to help so that air doesn't get trapped inside the tent when you actually close it. The mechanism right here at the top, as you can see my hand is there. Just going to grab it, pull it down onto the mattress. Once it's on the mattress, find your clip and put it over the latch. And the mechanism is secured. All right, we're going to pull the door that we were in now. Just push the Velcro, and then don't forget the bungee cord. So we've got the bungee cord. Pull that right to the top. This just helps to pull in the tent as we're going to close it. Over here, you'll see there's a nice strap here, which we're going to use now to pull the tent down. But before we do that, we're obviously going to have to roll up the awning. Okay, so this process is in reverse. I'm going to loosen up all of these straps. Okay, what I've found is that it's usually easier to just lower the awning before you actually take the poles out. Just lower it. Okay, now you can remove the side poles. The one pole fits into the slot here at the back, like we showed you when we opened it up. So there we go. That is the one. I'm going to walk around. And we're going to get the other one out. Okay. That one fits on the top of the channel. And these guys just plug inside the channel. Perfect. What's good to do then is to climb up here and pull this tab back here, connect it onto the Velcro. It just helps for when you're rolling up the awning for it to be easier. You can do the same on the side. Just tuck it in like that. Here we go. All right, so I always tell my clients that rolling up this awning is a one-man job because someone's going to roll up faster or slower than the other one, and you're going to end up with it being skew at the top. So I'll demonstrate how to do that. Basically, throw your ropes in, walk out, and from the center, you're just going to start rolling. Okay, when you get to the line here, all you're going to do is you're going to grab the rope that I showed you just now, put your foot on the tire, lean back, and you're going to pull the unit down. You should feel that it comes down by itself. And then we're going to continue to roll up the awning. Like that. Use the Velcro tabs to hold it down. Perfect. So what we've got to do now is we just got to realign the tent and make sure that all the canvas is inside the tent. As you can see here, when I closed, I've got some canvas hanging out. So we're gonna fix that. All right. So you pick up the tent slightly, pull that in there on the side, pull that there in on the side, and then just push that back like that. Make sure this tab is inside the tent, and then just close it gently. As you'll see, it all closes up. All that's left then to do is to zip up the bag. Last part is don't forget the tabs. So there's your first latch, push it down. Second latch, push it down. So as you can see, using the Moremi XLT is actually super easy and simple. I think now that you know how to deploy it and also how to close it up, we really hope that your camping trip will be an amazing experience filled with lots of memories. Go out there and enjoy it.